Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you're all having an amazing day and feeling fantastic. If you're new here, welcome to our community of health enthusiasts. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. We have a lot of exciting content lined up for you today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone, no matter your age or lifestyle. We're going to explore the wonders of the human brain and how we can keep it in tip-top shape. Today we're talking about the most important organ in the body. That's right, the brain. It's the control center for everything we do, from thinking and feeling to moving and breathing. Without a healthy brain, our quality of life can really suffer. We only get one, so we gotta keep it healthy, right? Regular exercise, mental stimulation, and a balanced diet are key to maintaining brain health. But today we're focusing on the power of nutrition, and what better way to do that than through our diet? The foods we eat can have a profound impact on our brain's function and longevity. So, let's talk about some of the best foods you can include in your diet to boost brain health. We're diving into the top 8 best foods for your brain and nervous system. These foods are packed with nutrients that support cognitive function, improve memory, and even help protect against age-related decline. We'll break down why these foods are so powerful, the science behind their benefits, and easy ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. From leafy greens to fatty fish, nuts, and berries, we've got you covered. Because a healthy brain isn't just about acing those exams or remembering where you put your keys, it's about living life to the fullest. It's about having the energy and mental clarity to enjoy your hobbies, spend quality time with loved ones, and pursue your passions. So let's get started on this journey to better brain health together. First up, we've got blueberries, those tiny but mighty fruits packed with antioxidants. These little blue gems are not just delicious, they are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your brain health. Blueberries are often referred to as brain berries, for a good reason. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a perfect addition to your diet. We're talking about anthocyanins, my friends, which give blueberries their vibrant color and fight those pesky free radicals in the brain. Anthocyanins are a type of flavonoid, a class of compounds with antioxidant effects. These antioxidants are crucial because they help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Free radicals can damage brain cells and lead to cognitive decline, but antioxidants like those found in blueberries act like bodyguards for your brain, protecting it from damage. By neutralizing these free radicals, blueberries help to maintain the health of your brain cells and improve overall brain function. This protection is especially important as we age, as it can help to preserve memory and cognitive abilities. Studies have even shown that blueberries can improve memory and learning, especially in older adults. Research conducted over several years has demonstrated that regular consumption of blueberries can delay brain aging by up to 2.5 years. This means that incorporating blueberries into your diet can help you stay sharp and mentally agile as you grow older. So how do you get your daily dose? It's easy. Blueberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Whether you prefer them fresh, frozen, or dried, there are countless delicious options to include them in your meals. Toss them in your morning smoothie, blending them with other fruits and vegetables for a nutritious start to your day. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in multiple servings of fruits and veggies, and blueberries add a burst of flavor and color. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, adding a sweet and tangy twist to your breakfast or snack. The combination of creamy yogurt and juicy blueberries is not only tasty, but also provides a good balance of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Blueberries are perfect for on-the-go snacking, providing a convenient and nutritious option that requires no preparation. Trust me, your brain will thank you. By making blueberries a regular part of your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also giving your brain the support it needs to stay healthy and function at its best. Next up is a food I try to eat at least twice a week: salmon. This incredible fish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your brain health. Whether you enjoy it grilled, baked, or even raw as sushi, incorporating salmon into your diet can be a game changer. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA, which are crucial for brain health. These essential fats are something our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. Salmon is one of the best sources of these omega-3s. Think of omega-3s as the building blocks of brain cells, essential for their structure and function. They help maintain the fluidity of cell membranes, which is vital for the communication between brain cells. This means better memory, sharper focus, and overall improved cognitive function. They also help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain, which can protect against cognitive decline. Chronic inflammation is linked to various brain disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and depression. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help keep your brain healthy as you age. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon, tuna, or mackerel per week. This can be easily achieved by incorporating these fish into your weekly meal plan. Not only will you be doing your brain a favor, but you'll also be supporting your heart health, as omega-3s are known to reduce the risk of heart disease. You can grill it, bake it, or even add it to salads. The versatility of salmon makes it easy to include in various dishes. Try a salmon salad for lunch, grilled salmon for dinner, or even smoked salmon on a whole grain bagel for breakfast. The options are endless. Get creative and enjoy the brain-boosting benefits of this delicious fish. Whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing a meal with loved ones, salmon is a fantastic choice that can help you stay sharp and healthy. So next time you're at the grocery store or dining out, remember to add some salmon to your plate and supercharge your brain. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and protect it from damage. It's also been linked to improved memory, focus, and even mood. Add turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or curries, or try a warm cup of golden milk before bed. Your brain and taste buds will thank you. Don't underestimate the power of broccoli, guys. This cruciferous veggie is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for brain health. We're talking about vitamin K, which is crucial for cognitive function and memory, and vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the brain from damage. Broccoli also contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to improve brain function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. So how do you enjoy this brain-boosting veggie? Roast it, steam it, or add it to your stir-fries. Make broccoli a regular part of your diet and reap the cognitive rewards. Don't toss those pumpkin seeds. These little guys are packed with brain-boosting nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and iron. Zinc is crucial for memory and learning. Magnesium helps regulate mood and sleep, and iron is essential for oxygen transport to the brain. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of antioxidants, which protect the brain from damage. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to trail mixes, or enjoy them as a satisfying snack. Your brain will thank you for the extra boost. Now, who doesn't love a little chocolate? Well, I've got good news. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can actually be beneficial for your brain. It's rich in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Dark chocolate also contains caffeine and theobromine, natural stimulants that can enhance focus and alertness. But remember, moderation is key. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao and enjoy a small piece as a treat. Your brain and taste buds will thank you. Oranges are a delicious and refreshing way to support your brain health. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for communication between brain cells. However, it's important to note that consuming large amounts of oranges or orange juice can lead to digestive issues in some individuals due to their acidity. Enjoy oranges in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts. These crunchy treats are nutritional powerhouses packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for brain health. We're talking about walnuts, almonds, cashews, and more. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to optimal brain function, memory, and cognitive performance. Make nuts your go-to snack, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to your trail mixes. Your brain will thank you for the nutritious boost. So there you have it, folks. 8 amazing foods that can help keep your brain firing on all cylinders. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to brain health. Don't forget to exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and challenge your brain with new activities. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And remember, a healthy brain leads to a happy life. Until next time, stay healthy.